My theme is imprisonment.
Is fear.
Social issues.
Fiction. All my artwork would be set in a fictional context or looking at different perspectives of the society and also exploring the theme fiction around myself.
It talks about my personal struggles and a connection between myself and the society.
I want to explore different dimensions of human fear.
The changes and effects to the society, to the citizen, through the political approach, economical approach, and also cultural direction.
I wanted to portray how I feel trapped by the standards that's given by the society and also my surroundings. The one medium that I enjoyed the most was animation.
For my artwork, I use different media such as lino print, 3D art.
From video art to wearable art to installation.
And also sculptures, painting.
It's moving instead of a still art. That's why I thought animation would be able to tell more stories within more frames and have the strength to portray a stronger meaning to it.
My most memorable moments during this 2-year IB art course is the art trip that we went during year 12. It gave me an opportunity to expand my knowledge on different culture and perspective.
Transformation process in itself, it has taught me to become a much more mature artist, to push barriers and try and experiment with different new materials, new techniques.
So I think the IB room is the best memory for all of the IB art students.
The very magical place is a place where we come up with interesting ideas.
No matter if the deadline is coming or not, and we are all trying so hard in that room, creating different memories, producing all the artworks there.